I show up, will you show me around town? If I make you laugh, give me some time. 'Cause I know that a girl like you could be falling in love with just about anyone. All I want is just to know you. It's just to hang around, walk on the same ground. You remind me of the days gone by, all the real good love till you have just the time. And if I show up, will you show me around town? If I make you laugh, will you give me some time? 'Cause I know that a girl like you, could be falling in love with just about anyone.
Got no issues, it's kinda nice. Like running water into a paradise. Got no drama, feels like we arrived. Picture perfect, it don't exist. But when I'm with you, don't have to question it. True devotion. Oh, my life, I thought the love was just a lie. A way to feel an unrealistic high. We get our fix, but never satisfied. Give you all of my love and you give it right back. I could fly, I could fall, I know you got my back. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like that. We laugh till we cry to keep our love intact. Take a ride, turn them back so we can save on gas. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like weekends, never leaving our bed. Office till the night ends, baby, we can sleep in. Late into the morning, kiss you on the cheek. And baby, that's a reflex. Oh, my life, I thought the love was just a lie. A way to feel an unrealistic high. We get our fix, but never satisfied. Give you all of my love and you give it right back. I could fly, I could fall, I know you got my back. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like that. We laugh till we cry to keep our love intact. Take a ride, turn them back so we can save on gas. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like that. Get like that high. How'd you get like that?
도착해. 그거 하얀 거 있어. 안 된다.
앞접시랑.
이거 네가 좀 시켜.
너무 맛있어.
얼마나 거기가 들어갔어.
I scrolled down the Insta page, saw a picture that I didn't want to see. He had his hand around your waist and a smile on your face like the way you look at me. 'Cause only 8 months ago he was holding your hand, slow dancing and kissing the top of your head. And I don't know how to compete with that, 'cause you were friends since you were kids and it still feels like we just only met. Yeah, I was so naive, thinking that you've only felt this way for me. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it? Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scare me, 'cause they all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me I got no real reason to worry. My mind starts to imagine things that never happened. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other has-been. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one? Last one. I've heard stories about exes calling up brides on their wedding day, professing all the love from a once upon a time that they threw away. And the fear that I'm fighting is constantly rising in the back of my mind, is that you'll finally open up your eyes, that you'll leave me for another guy. Yeah, it's a scary truth that maybe I don't know you in the way they do. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it? Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scare me, 'cause they all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me that I got no real reason to worry. My mind starts to imagine things that never happened. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other has-been. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one? Do you think I'm gonna be the last one? Baby, the hardest part is fighting back this anxious heart. But I've come to realize that if we don't have trust, then we might as well have nothing. But old boyfriends still scare me. They all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me I got no real reason to worry. My mind keeps on imagining things I know aren't happening. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other has-been. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one? Last one. Do you think I'm gonna be the last one? Ooh.
When the winter is bitter and cold, and the spring is yet to unfold, may your heart be strong and your love remain. Summer sun is beating the ground, autumn's breeze nowhere to be found. May your heart be strong and your love remain. May your love remain. May your love remain. May your heart be strong and your love remain.
El invierno amargo y feroz, la primavera no sabe de vos, que tu corazón y tu alma
the seasons, and through all the change, through all the pleasures, and through all the pain. May your heart be strong and your love remain. May your love remain. May your love remain. May your heart be strong and your love remain. May your love remain. May your love remain. May your heart be strong and your love remain.
Radio up and the blinds pulled down. You love it when nobody's around. I wanna call out round town, but you bite my lip, don't make a sound. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you. So give me a minute to catch my breath. Take what's yours, I'll take what's left. I'm used to coming up second best. Always fail to pass the test. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you.
That smile was a miracle in my world of confusion. Oh, I fell in an instant. Took but moments to see that she was all I need. Eyes shining like noonday sun to bring sunlight when this world didn't have none. Oh, I fell in an instant. Took but moments to see that she was all I need. Oh, yes, I fell in an instant. Took but moments to see that she was all I need. Yes, she was all I need.
sing the song, I'll do the dance. You take the lead, I'll take your hand. Foxtrot or cha-cha, rumba or salsa, whichever rhythm you choose, I'm following you. Sashay and shimmy around the room. Fall onto me, slip into you. Our bodies twist and turn. You got my vision blurred, and now my mind's in a whirl. Keep on spinning me around, girl. My troubles and worries all magically fade. Whenever you get me moving this way. With every step the line grows thin, of where I end and you begin, and our heartbeats combine, together keeping time. When at last we become no longer two souls, but one. Troubles and worries all magically fade. Whenever you get me moving this way, you're moving me, babe. With every step the line grows thin, of where I end and you begin, and our heartbeats combine, together keeping time. When at last we become no longer two souls, but one. No longer two souls, but one.
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves, leave our troubles on the shelf. Don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. All the sidewalks and the highways, they will turn into dust as Mother Nature covers over every street we pave. Can lead the way for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles on the shelf. So don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. and I am showered by your smiles, oh yeah. For every night I got too near, tears dry out, clouds disappear, oh yeah. For every hour that we share, two explorers of nowhere, oh no. The secret codes in your eyes, the crazy laughter and the cries, oh yeah. And I thank you for the little things, the kisses and the smiles. And I thank you for being the best part of my life. And every time that things go wrong, you pull me up, I come back strong, oh yeah. Cause popes and kings have come and gone, but we're still going on a road, oh yeah. You heal my mind and bless my soul, touch my heart and made it whoa, oh yeah. So I thank you for the little things, the kisses and the smiles. And I thank you for being the best part of my life. And I thank you for the little things, the kisses and the smiles. And I thank you for being the best part of my life. Being the best part of my life. Oh, being the best part of my life. Being the best part of my life. Being the best part of my life.
Patiently waiting on my dreams to come true, hoping and praying one day that they do. Oh, I don't know how and I don't know when, just patiently waiting till then. Patiently waiting each day that goes by, staring out windows at stars in the sky, imagining one day I'll be one of them, but patiently waiting till then. Maybe I'm wasting time, maybe I've lost my mind, maybe this whole thing is a joke and no one let me know. Still I'm patiently waiting with you by my side, trusting one day that
I'm not gonna lose, I'm gonna turn up the time to put in words how the colors are blooming, to try to count how fast my heart is booming. And it's hard to describe this fever I feel in front of bunch of people are screaming. I just ignore them and go on with the dream. So that's the world after you. You ran down on my life. You crushed my body like a drunken mariachi. I had the piano and your mighty Liberace. So that's the world after you. You were straight in my life. You smashed my words like a poem rolling. And every day your incantation is growing. Oh no, oh no, oh yeah. Oh, 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 no, yeah. Oh, 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 oh no, no, oh, no, no. Oh no. And I get confused when I get lost in your eyes. I try to write and my brain keep on freezing. Can't see no point in resisting your teasing. And this ain't right. I'm just a disaster waiting to happen. Can't tell the red from the green in the traffic. The risk of being run over is massive. It's after you. You ran down on my life. You crushed my body like a drunken mariachi. I am the piano and your mighty Liberace. So that's the word after you. You ran down in my life. You smashed my worries like a poem rolling. And every day your incantation is growing. Oh no, oh no, oh yeah. You ran down in my life. You crushed my body like a drunken mariachi. I am the piano and your mighty Liberace. So that's the word after you. That's the word No, 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 no. That's the word after you. That's the word after you. That's the word after you. Holding close, holding tight. Let the moon slowly take over on night. The sky has never been clearer than now. The little lights float around. A million fireflies that never touch the ground. I see your pretty eyes light up as they fly away, heading towards town. I've seen 1,000 suns, too many pretty sights have crossed my way. But you'll always be beautiful. A little boy, a little girl, playing love games in the middle of it all. A little kiss, a little touch, yeah, it's all it takes. No for sure.
안녕하세요, 랄라입니다. 이번 주에는 제가 3가지 추천템을 가지고 왔는데요. 정리용품 중에 제가 잘 쓰고 있는 엔스텍 슬라이드 수납함이랑 요 트럼백 공기청소기, 그리고 라라루에르의 타올이랑 베개 커버, 요렇게 추천템을 가지고 왔어요. 먼저 라라루에르는 저는 주기적으로 타올은 잘 교체를 하는 편이에요. 타올을 오래 쓰면 이 타올의 표면이 되게 거칠거칠해지고 뻣뻣해져서 피부에 닿는 촉감도 좋지가 않고 피부를 상하게 할 수 있다고 하더라고요. 재작년에 대나무 타올을 한번 쓰기 시작한 다음부터는 면타올 거의 쓰지 않고 대나무 타올로 교체를 해서 사용을 하고 있어요. 이번에 교체 주기를 훨씬 더 넘겨서 또 새로 싹 교체를 해줬는데, 라라루에르라는 타올은 뱀부타올이에요. 면 타올이 아니고 뱀부타올인데 여기 크기를 보시면 진짜 엄청 커요. 일반 타월보다 훨씬 더 큰 사이즈인데 타월이 크기가 엄청 큰데도 무겁지가 않고 이렇게 두께가 되게 두껍지가 않아요. 그래서 이렇게 큰데도 막상 써보면 되게 가볍고 쓰기가 편해서 너무 만족스럽더라고요. 저는 타월을 원래 한 2장, 3장씩 한 번에 쓰는 그런 타입이었는데 이거는 한 장 갖고 너무 충분해서 3장씩 쓸 필요가 없더라고요. 그리고 면에 비해서 훨씬 더 먼지가 덜 날리거든요. 첫 세척만 좀 신경 써서 해주시면 사용하시는 내내 아마 편하게 쓰실 수 있으실 거예요. 이게 세면 타월인데 이거 한 장으로 머리 긴 사람도 온몸에 물 다 닦고 머리 말리고까지 전부 다 가능할 정도로 이게 가볍고 편한데 흡수성은 좋아요. 그래서 타월을 많이 쓸 필요가 없고 피부에 닿는 촉감이 되게 보들보들해요. 그래서 쓰면서 만족도가 저는 너무 높더라고요. 원래 이거 10장만 써보려고 베이지만 처음에 10장을 샀는데 나중에 너무 만족해서 있는 타월 싹 다 버리고 이걸로 다 교체를 해줬어요. 제가 제일 추천하고 싶은 타월은 요거 샤워 타월인데 남편도 이거 써보더니 커서 너무 좋다고 하더라고요. 그래서 저는 이거 너무 추천드리고 싶고 여기 베개 커버가 나오는데 안타깝게도 저희 집에는 지금 베개 커버가 사이즈가 맞지 않아요. 그래서 이렇게 베개 커버를 이렇게 덮어서 썼는데 이거 진짜 촉감 좋아요. 사이즈 맞으면 이 베개 커버는 꼭 써보셨으면 좋겠고 베개 커버 때문에 이 타월에 입문을 하시는 분들이 되게 많다고 하더라고요. 제가 추천드리고 싶은 컬러는 흰색이랑 베이지를 가장 추천드리고 싶어요. 이게 오래 봤을 때도 가장 질리지 않고 쭉 쓸 수 있는 색깔인 것 같고 3컬러 정도의 조합을 원하신다면 흰색, 베이지, 차콜 이런 조합으로 하면 제일 예쁘게 잘 어울리실 거예요. 트롬베인데요. 제가 이 트롬베를 쓴 지가 좀 이제 됐어요. 그래서 일반 공기청정기를 이제 흡입구하고 나오는 데를 집에서 손으로 대보시면 바로 느껴지는 게 있으실 거예요. 흡입이 그렇게 세지가 않아요. 사실 필터 성능을 모든 공기청정기 회사에서 다 강조하고 있긴 한데 이 필터의 성능이 중요하려면 여기로 오염된 공기가 들어가서 여기로 나와야 의미가 있는 거잖아요. 그런데 일반적으로 사용을 하는 그 공기청정기에는 필터로 흡입 자체가 잘 안 돼요. 조금만 떨어지면은 하나도 흡입이 안 돼요. 그럼 먼지는 그대로 있는 거예요. 먼지가 어디로 없어진 게 아니고 맑은 공기를 많이 퍼뜨려서 이 먼지의 농도를 흐리게 한 거. 그게 공기청정기라면 얘 같은 경우에는 밀폐된 공간에서 문 닫고 한 15분, 20분 정도 냅두면 혼자 빨간불 들어오면서 막 돌다가 파란불 될 때까지 막 돌아요. 우리가 알고 있는 그 개념 자체가 더러운 공기를 여기로 집어넣어서 필터로 빼서 맑은 공기를 쓰겠다. 이게 우리가 아는 공기청정기의 개념이라면 일반적으로 사용하는 공기청정기는 그렇지가 않았단 말이죠. 트룸베 같은 경우에는 지금 2대를 쓰고 있는데 기계가 좀 작다 보니까 아주 넓은 평수를 커버하지는 못해요. 그렇지만 방 안에 하나씩 두고 쓰기에는 가장 좋은 형태의 공기청소기라는 생각이 저는 들었고 공간이 그렇게 크지 않다면 가장 이상적인 기계가 아닌가 저는 생각하고 제가 트룸베 닦는 거를 종종 보여드리는데 일반적으로 공기청정기의 형태를 보면은 여기를 닦을 수 있게 돼 있지가 않아요. 흡입구도 닦을 수 있게 돼 있어야지 저는 맞다고 생각하거든요. 근데 트룸베는 흡입되는데도 청소를 할 수 있고 나오는데도 청소를 할 수 있고 필터 필요하면 교체할 수 있고 이 필터는 한 6개월에 한 번 정도 교체하면 제가 볼 때는 딱 적당한 것 같고 필터가 새까매질 때까지 정말 걸러주거든요. 그래서 저는 제가 쓰는 기계 중에 가장 만족하는 기계 중에 하나인 것 같아요. 요즘에는 창문 오래 열어놓으면 저도 재채기가 나서 또 창문을 또 금방 닫게 되더라고요. 공기청정기라든지 공기청소기라든지 하는 거 이제 한 집에 하나씩이 아니라 방마다 있어야 되는 시기가 아닌가 좀 그런 생각을 하기도 합니다. 요새 난임병원을 좀 다니고 있는데 한 3번 정도 갔어요. 저희는 난임의 요인이 그렇게 크게 있지는 않은 것 같아요. 제 나이가 올해 제가 85년생이니까 법이 바뀌지 않았으면 올해로 40이 되는 나이인데 하나도 나이 안 많다고, 이 정도면 뭐 적당하신데요, 뭐 이렇게 그냥 마음을 좀 놓게 해주셔서 저도 좀 마음 편하게 준비를 할 수 있지 않나 그런 생각을 하고 있어요. 몸 관리 잘 해서 또 이제도 잘 준비해 보겠습니다. 오늘도 긴 영상인데 봐주셔서 감사드리고, 봄바람 날씨 좋은데 가볍게 산책이라도 다녀오시면 좋으실 것 같아요. 오늘 영상은 여기까지 하겠습니다. 여러분 안녕히 계세요.